Prague, the mother of cities, is a lively combination of poetic beauty, contemporary and classical art, and diverse streets that are a blend of fairy tales and nightmares. At its center stands the Mánes gallery, where we have presented a fragment of this eclectic fusion in a unique series of 11 paintings by Martin Lukáč, which are a study of the question of where the boundary lies between a corporate logo and art that carries meaning and value. All this on the occasion of Footshop's 11th anniversary, which we officially celebrated with an opening where over 500 of our friends gathered during Monday evening. Our mission is to provide a space for local artists. We would have a harder time fulfilling that commitment if it weren't for the support of Adidas, which we are grateful to, as well as all of you. We've done it again and we'll do it again, this time in one of Prague's most iconic galleries. And the next time, who knows?